Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill over at Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I've got something fun to share with you. Cricut has allowed me to give away one of the Flamingo Pearl Cricut Air 2 bundles to one of my lucky followers, and I'm running this contest over on my blog so that I can use Rafflecopter to keep it all above board. But let's take a look at what you get, okay, in this contest. So you will get the Cricut Explore Air 2 Essentials Bundle, which is the beautiful, flamingo pink machine. It's so pretty, but you also will get the deep point blade housing, and you will get the original, the fine point blade housing that also comes already installed in your machine, okay? But you'll get this additional deep point blade housing, which is great for when you want to cut magnet or chipboard or stamping materials or thicker cardstock or craft foam or cardboard or things like that. You'll also get a variety pack of the Cricut 12 by 12 mat. So you'll get a light grip mat, which is the blue one. You'll get a standard grip mat, which is the green one, and you'll get the purple strong grip mat. All right, so you get that. You also get a basic toolkit. All right, so the basic toolkit, it'll help get you started with everything you need to be able to work with your Cricut machine. And you also get the scoring stylus, which will help you score on your projects to make envelopes and cards and boxes and other 3D projects. And you also get, if that isn't enough, you get a set of the Candy Shop markers, which are a medium point, and they are beautiful colors and will allow you to write with your Cricut machine. So how do you enter to win all of this? All right, so on my blog, I have set up a Rafflecopter contest for you guys to make it all above board, and I will post a link to that blog post in the description of this video. So go there. You can see all about the contest. The contest runs through Thursday, July the 26th. That's coming up here in a couple of days. At 11:59 p.m. the contest is over, so enter before then. That's Central Time. And then the winner will be drawn at random from all entries and announced on Friday, July the 27th. The winner address must be a shipping address in the U.S. Sorry, guys, but that was the rule. And then the winner drawn will be verified for accuracy and compliance with the giveaway. So you just need to have followed the rules of the giveaway. Now, if you haven't done this before, at the bottom of my post, there is this little Rafflecopter giveaway thing, okay? So all you have to do is you'll go down to that. You'll see that it has, I think there's 4 or 5 different ways for you to enter, and you would just click on one of these, and then it's going to open up a screen and it'll ask you to do an activity. This first one is come follow me on my business Facebook page, because that way you always know when I have classes, you always know new announcements, you always know when I'm doing more giveaways, you always know when I'm doing Facebook Live. Sometimes in my Facebook groups, Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group and Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill, the posts get so busy in there, sometimes you can lose what I'm doing, and so my business page is a way for me to always be in contact with you guys. So please go follow that. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, obviously, so you don't miss any of my tutorial videos. And then there's a couple of other things you can do to enter the contest. So good luck to everybody. Now, if you are absolutely in love with that Cricut Flamingo Pearl bundle and you don't want to take a chance of missing it, it is available at Cricut.com for $279.99, and I have a link here on my blog for that as well. And wish you all the best luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and I cannot wait to announce a winner on Friday, July the 27th. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for following along. If you make it over to my blog, take a look. I've got lots of tutorials. I've got lots of information. I'm going to be having Diva Days. It's going to be coming up at the end of August. So my Diva Days online crop announcement will be out there soon when I get back from the Cricut Mountain Make-a-thon. And you guys have an awesome week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.